In today's video, I'm going to show you how to import Chrome extensions into Firefox in the simplest way possible. If you've just switched browsers and you want to bring over your favorite extensions, this guide will walk you through the exact steps. And before we jump in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials like this. Alright, let's get started. First, open Mozilla Firefox on your computer. Once Firefox is running, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the menu button. This is the icon with 3 horizontal lines. That opens the main Firefox menu, where you'll find all of the browser settings and tools. From that menu, click Settings. This will take you to Firefox's settings page, where you can manage your browser preferences, privacy options, and import tools. Now on the settings page, look for the Import Data feature. In some versions of Firefox, this may be listed under a section related to profiles or browser data import, but the goal is the same. You want to open the tool that lets Firefox bring in information from another browser. Once you open the Import Data tool, Firefox will ask which browser you want to import from. Select Google Chrome from the list. This tells Firefox that you want to pull data from your Chrome profile instead of another browser. After that, Firefox will show you a list of items that can be imported. This may include things like bookmarks, saved passwords, browsing history, and in some cases, extensions. Now this is the important part. Check whether the extensions option is available. If you see it, select it so Firefox can attempt to import your Chrome extensions along with the rest of your data. If the extensions option is not available, that means Firefox may not support importing Chrome extensions directly on your version or system setup. In that case, you may need to reinstall those extensions manually from the Firefox Add-ons store. But if the option is there, simply continue with the import process and let Firefox complete the transfer. Once the import finishes, check your Firefox browser to confirm that everything came over correctly. You may want to open your extensions menu and verify which tools are now active. If something didn't transfer, you can usually search for the same extension in the Firefox Add-ons marketplace and install it directly from there. And that's it! You've now learned how to import Chrome extensions into Firefox, or at least check whether your Firefox version supports bringing them over automatically. This is a great way to make your browser switch feel much smoother and save time setting everything up from scratch. If this video helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.